Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make video tutorial about simple manipulation photo. Here the example and the result. Before we start, please prepare below application. Okay, here we go. Open Picsart app first and choose the picture that you want to be edited. As this picture took place at the beach, I want to add coconut tree here. We can add some coconut leaf first and the trees at the end. And you can also browse the PNG file from Google or PNG tree website, or you can just find it at the Picsart stickers like I did. So you just need to type what object you want to use and find it, and then choose blend and then screen to make it the object is real like that. As this photo will be semi-silhouette, you need to make the object darker. Play the color brightness, contrast, and saturation. And if we finish, save this project and transfer to second app, Snapseed. In these pictures, I want to add light rays from the right side. So first thing that I should do is, I need to increase the light by using selective and make it brighter. And the left side is darker. And if you finish, let's move again your project to Adobe Lightroom. This step is just next process to make pictures look smooth and real. First, I need to make sky side look dark and dreamy, as we will put stars and moon at the end. So you need to work at the selective tool. Put the selective tool above and left side. Make it neat, smooth, and real. Oh yeah, don't forget to put oval selective at the right side as a sunset effect, and I prefer make it pinky peach color. And then I choose option artistic 4 at the profile menu. After finish, we back again to Picsart to put stars and moon. Just for your information, all the supporting pictures I use in this video, such moon and stars, I got it from png3.com. Open the project and then click add photo. After you choose, do the same way like previous step. Choose blend and then pick screen and adjust the brightness and contrast only. And then make it smooth by erasing some area on the pictures. To make it easy, You can scale up the picture for the better result. On erasing the object, you can also change the canvas and opacity for smooth erasing. After finish, we go back again to Adobe Lightroom for the last touch-up. Okay, open the project and then choose Profile and option Artistic number 4. And then move to Effect menu. So here you can adjust texture, clarity, smoky effect and vignette. Make it smooth and based on your imagination, as this is a project, so everything is free. Just be yourself. Well, I think the picture is almost done, so you can export it to your device and then you can share to your social media. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and share this video.